Hello guys, I am astrologer Nandu. So today I come up with some interesting topic, Jupiter retrograde. Soon Jupiter is going to retrograde in the month of October. So I will be covering here what is Jupiter retrograde, what if it gets retrograde in general, and soon we will come up with sign-wise predictions for Jupiter retrograde 2024. So stay tuned with us to get an update regarding that. Now let's start with our video Jupiter retrograde. So it is said to be basically we can see here in the picture that what is Jupiter. So here like planet Jupiter is this. It should be moving in this direction, but it is moving in this. It is actually it appears to be moving in the backward direction. It's not exactly moving in the backward direction, but it only appears to move in the backward direction. So but what it is something like moving far away or coming close to planet Earth, which appears to be moving in the backward direction. So here in the picture, I try to show it to you. It should move towards right direction, but moving towards left. So you can understand it in general term. It is backward movement of Jupiter, right? So if we see like next slide, the date and duration of Jupiter retrograde 2024. So it will be getting retrograde on October 9, 2024 at 12:30 p.m. and it will be progressive or direct on February 4, 2024, 2025. I'm sorry, it's 2025. Okay, at 3:09 p.m. Right? So these are the dates for the Jupiter retrogrades and progressive. So let's move to the next slide. That is what is basically, first of all, we would like to understand like what is Jupiter? What does Jupiter represent in astrology? So Jupiter is basically the planet which represents the wisdom and knowledge in the lives of the person. So it can be in any area or light of any area or such as wisdom towards career, love, or anything like that, right? It shows the expansion. This is very important, right? Jupiter is like related to the expansion. Anything expand, it comes through under the Jupiter, right? It shows the righteous path, high moral values, beliefs, spirituality, higher learning, gurus, mentor, teacher, father, fatherly figure. It also represents astrology. It represents like param gyan kind of thing. Like Jupiter is a great teacher. It's considered as a very like higher. It's associated with the higher value. So it's like a param gyan. It's like the the moksha part, you can say, because it naturally rules the 12th house, so it's like a moksha. So different realm or world, because 12th house is naturally rules in the horoscope, so it's like a different realms or world, as we say sometimes different dimensions. Jupiter is higher wisdom, which will help to understand the energy of different dimensions. If you have good placed Jupiter in your horoscope, it can help you with the knowledge which you are born with. Not everyone can have that knowledge even after getting lots of education. If it is not well placed, then you might notice vice versa. And you might wander in the search of right guru in your life. And many times false or fake gurus may encounter in your life, which may give you wrong advice and choices. So it is some like brief about Jupiter. We are not going to do here like all about the Jupiter planet. It's like it's a Jupiter retrograde. I'm just giving you just brief information about Jupiter. So now let's come to the next slide. What is the impact of retrograde Jupiter? Right. So generally, it is considered to provide a negative results, as in this case, right? When it gets retrograde, it is like provides negative adverse results. There is nothing like any doubt about it. It's like any like positive results, because positive results are can be seen if it is well placed in horoscope, right? So as I have written here too. So Jupiter is not in a good position, because what happens here, Jupiter is not in a good position to handle things well here. So it is because it is moving backward. So as you know, if you are moving forward, if you take your example, if you are moving forward, then it is good for you to run fast. But if you move backward, then it might be difficult for you to move fast. Likewise, with Jupiter too, it indicates the results based on its motion, right? If it is like moving forward, then definitely it is going to give you the positive result. There is no doubt about it. If it is going backward, then definitely it is going to give the negative, or you can say adverse results, right? But in case of positive, we can say like slow result. It's not totally positive. It's like a slow results, we can say. But one thing, it can be positive retrograde in that case, as I am also mentioning, right? If Jupiter is a well placed horoscope, or it is retrograde in your actual horoscope, then it may provide good results. Or already I'm saying, writing here too, or anything pending in the area of wisdom towards like career, love, knowledge, etc. Like can be provided during this period. Okay, so uh, rest planetary period is responsible for obtaining the results. Okay, planetary periods. Okay. So in general, if we talk about the results, then it gives slow results or negative results as compared to the direct motion of it, right? But the good thing, what I am saying about Jupiter retrograde is that it gives you an opportunity to go back and find inner wisdom. Inner wisdom towards can be like related to particular area, right? And find the wisdom and try to implement them, you like ideas or something like that. If you are means you are going to resolve your issues by going back, like repeated activities might be there, so which will help you learn something again and again during this motion time, during the like retrograde motion time. Though your productivity will get slow, but you will learn, so wisdom will automatically come when you repeat things. So this is the good thing about Jupiter retrograde. So due to this repetition, work or task might get delayed, and we call it that giving slow or negative results. But it is good if it is not giving you adverse results. Slow results are good, but adverse results might cause some issues. Otherwise, it is good. So this is my small video regarding Jupiter retrograde. I will be uploading the sign-wise videos for all 12 signs for you, and the impact of retrograde Jupiter 2024. So stay tuned with Astro Motivation. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.